Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, man, you already know what to do. So AMC, we sitting at $15.97 at the time of this recording, guys. So, you know, like we had talked about, we finally closed that gap. We had expected to come down to $15.87. Well, let's go all the way back, because I like to clarify the things that I say. You know, I didn't expect for us to break 23 was the worst case scenario. After running up from 13-14 all the way to 33-34, I said we will have some crazy pullbacks and some crazy volatility this year. We could see $20, $25 swings to the upside and downside. I didn't expect us to swing $20 plus to the upside, and then to swing right back $20 down to the downside, giving away all those gains. I'm pretty sure nobody didn't expect that once we had ran up to 33-34. Of course, it's a lot of trolls out there that's expecting and saying AMC, you know, isn't going to do nothing, it's over, this, that, and the third. But as soon as AMC start running up, they back on the bandwagon, they forward, and this, that, and the third. So anyways, guys, like I had said, we know we had mentioned that before. I didn't expect us to go no lower than 23, but for the ones in the back, to clarify, once 23 was broken and then true support at 20 was broken, you can't just say, oh, just because I thought 23 wasn't gonna be broken, it got to go back up, or, you know, I can't tell you what I think now. Nah, it don't work like that. Once I was wrong and it was broken, now I got to regroup myself, you know, do my analysis and see exactly why I expect the price to go from there now. Because it's a new day, a new ball game, a new thing in front of you, new information, new numbers, new price action. So you got to continue to adapt. That's what adapting come in at. Oh no, you said it will never break 23. Now you saying this. Ah, man, quit crying all the damn time. Just know I tell you when you chasing, and I tell you when it's a good time to buy. And right now, that's when everybody is buying. This why everybody, while you mad, while you upset, while you are pouting, everybody else is eating up those shares. And like I said, if you're one of those ones, go ahead and sell out your position. Ain't nobody tell you to buy, and I damn sure ain't tell you to hold. So anyways, guys, like I said, what's in front of us? And we also had a comment I remember before. I wonder, is you watching now? You had said, what gap? What are you talking about? I don't see it coming down to $15.87. It's crazy because that's about exactly what it came down to, right? Our low today was $15.71. I'm surprised it ain't $15.87 exactly. But of course, we know once we came down to that point, that was the first level we was going to come down to before we actually got a closure on the pullback. So that's why I say close, meaning at any given time, at any moment now, we can expect some crazy price action, a crazy spike, or a crazy run up from here. Even though it's possible for us to even come back even lower to around that 13, worst case scenario, $14 range before seeing a real reversal. But I'm just saying, if, you know, it could happen from here now. And I wouldn't be thinking in the back of my head, oh, we going back. You know, I'd be saying, oh, this should be the one. We should be able to run up and be able to sustain ourselves this time once we get that crazy price action like we did just a few weeks ago, guys. So like I say, now is the time to be, you know, if you want to buy, this is the time you need to be buying, and you ain't chasing. These is the best prices. And, you know, once it start back running up, once the media get hold to it, everybody start, you know, getting hyped around it again, don't try to start buying then, because you're going to be chasing, guys. So you already know, like I tell you guys, always put yourself in a comfortable position. Once you're able to do so, shave your investment a little bit, so you'll be more comfortable, guys, and just learn from your, you know, experience, and know not to always over leverage yourself. Don't be going all in and all that good stuff. So you already know, that's all I got for this video. Like I told you guys in the last video, you guys already know my opinion on the markets, on why I believe the markets is, you know, doing what it's doing today, why we experienced even more pain. You know, Tesla done dropped over $100. We prepared you guys for that on last night video. Too many people ain't tuned in on that video, but you know, if you would have, you would have knew what to prepare for. A lot of people was expecting Tesla to run up above 1,000, stay above 1,000. I told you guys it was going to drop $100, and that's exactly what it did. It closed yesterday at around $975. I told you guys it was coming down to $877. We already experienced, I think, the high eights on today. But I know for a fact we dropped over $100. So that's just insane. I wish I would have bought puts for it, but I honestly didn't expect for it to happen that quick and just on today like that. I expected it to, drag out maybe. But it happened like that. So you already know, guys, like I say, some things will happen at an instant. Soon as you said, sometimes you'll be wrong and it won't happen. Sometimes it'll happen, but it'll wait a few weeks. Sometimes it'll happen, it'll wait a few days. Sometimes it'll happen, it'll be a month. So you already know, guys, it ain't no exact science. It ain't no exact time frame. It ain't no exact none of that. Only thing we doing is just sharing our thoughts and our opinions on exactly what we believe is going to happen. Nothing more, nothing less. So you already know what to do, man. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.